In front of me I've got Realme GT Neo 3T. In this video I'll show you how to set custom notification sound. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter sound and vibration. Go to notification sound on this device and select your custom sound. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.